Hey guys, welcome back to our channel How To Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to download American Airlines app on iPhone. To do so, firstly, go to your app store. Once you open your app store, you may tap on the search icon on the bottom left corner of your screen. On the search tab on top, type in American Airlines and then tap on search. Once the apps show, then tap on American Airlines. Then tap on the Get icon. While it gets downloaded, I would like to tell you more about the American Airlines app. The American Airlines app is a mobile application designed to enhance the travel experience for passengers flying with American Airlines. Overall, the app aims to streamline the travel experience for passengers by providing easy access to essential flight information, booking and management tools, and customer support services. Once the app gets downloaded completely, then you may tap on the open icon to open the app. This is how you may easily download the American Airlines app. If you find this video helpful, kindly like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching.